Namaste. Welcome to our day 11 30 days yoga challenge. Let's go into downward dog. Bring your hands about shoulder width apart. Push your hip towards the sky. Your feet about hip wide open. Push your hip towards the sky, chest towards the ground. Can you stretch your leg one leg at a time again? If you feel that your hamstrings are tight still. And inhale, lift your right leg, bend your knee as high up as possible. And then bring the right foot forward. Knee down, toes down, push your hip, look forward. Then tuck your toes, bring your body up, balance. And once you balance, bring your arms up. And bring the hands down. Take support of your hands, bend your knee. You can put one blanket under your knee if you need to. Bring your right elbow on the thigh with balance. Grab your left foot, push your leg close to your body and balance. And gently let go. Again, support with your hand so that when you're moving this movement, at that time your hands should be supporting your body so that you don't put too much power, pressure onto your knee. Relax. Then inhale, bring your left armpit onto your thigh, palm together. Twist. Inhale. As you exhale, twist towards the sky. And bring your hand back. Push your hip down, look forward. Go back into downward dog. Push your hip towards the sky. And then bend your left knee. And left foot forward. Knee down, toes down. Push your hip, look forward. Then inhale, hold your breath. Come back to the center, balance. Once you're balanced, bring your arms up. And hand down. Take support of your hands. Bend your knee gently, carefully. Bring the left elbow onto left thigh. And very slowly, with balance, grab your right ankle and pull the leg towards you. Make sure you have a blanket, folded blanket under your knee so that you don't get hurt. Then once again, take support of the hands and gently bring the leg down. And inhale. Exhale, bring your right armpit, right upper arm onto your thigh, palm together. And as you inhale, exhale, twist your chest towards the sky. Keep breathing. Come back to the center. Bring the hands down, push your hip, look forward. And go back into downward dog. Hold the downward dog. Keep pushing your chest towards the ground, hips towards the ceiling, opening your shoulders. And then bring your right foot forward again. This time your knee remains off the ground and balance straight. Keep balance. Make sure 90-degree angle here. Foot is pressing back. Once you balance, bring your arms up. Then bring your arms out. Inhale. As you exhale, twist to the right. Back to the center. Bring the hands down and go back into downward dog. And bring your left foot forward, knee off the ground, balance, straight your body, 90-degree angle, push the leg back. Once you're ready, bring your arms up. Then inhale, exhale, arms to the side. Inhale, as you exhale, twist to the left. And back to the center. Bring the hand down. Go back into downward dog. Bend your knees. Go into child pose. Press your chest all the way down, forehead down. 15 seconds. And whenever you're ready, gently sit up. Give thanks in prayer pose. Namaste.